When choosing between Singer and Janome sewing machines, understanding the key differences can help you make an informed decision that matches your sewing needs. Both brands have established reputations in the sewing industry, but they differ significantly in several aspects. So let's find out about them. Design and build quality. Singer, once the gold standard in sewing machines, has undergone significant changes over the decades. Modern Singer machines typically feature a mix of metal and plastic components. The Singer heavy-duty series, such as the 4423 and 4432 models, include a metal frame that provides stability during high-speed sewing. However, many repair technicians and experienced sewists note that Singer's overall build quality isn't what it used to be. Janome, by contrast, is widely praised for its superior build quality. Janome machines typically feature more metal components and are built with precision engineering that minimizes vibration during Operation 3. Professional technicians often recommend Janome for its durability and reliability. The construction quality is evident in models like the HD 3000, which features a sturdy aluminum die-cast body designed to handle heavy-duty sewing tasks 16. A significant difference is in the internal components. Janome machines are known for having fewer electronic and computerized issues compared to other brands, making them more reliable over time. This quality is particularly important in today's market, where computerized machines are becoming standard. Stitch capabilities and performance. Both brands offer a range of stitch options, but there are notable differences in performance and capabilities. Singer machines typically provide a good selection of built-in stitches. For example, the Singer heavy-duty 4432 offers 32 built-in stitches and 110 stitch applications. Singer machines are also known for their high-speed capabilities, with models like the heavy-duty 4423 reaching up to 1,100 stitches per minute. Janome machines generally offer excellent stitch quality and precision. While they might have fewer built-in stitches in comparable models, the Janome HD 3000 has 18 built-in stitches compared to Singer's 32 in the 4432. The quality and consistency of the stitches are often superior. Janome's feed system, particularly their superior feed system, SFS, found in models like the M100 QDC, ensures even fabric feeding for precise stitching. In terms of speed, Janome professional models like the MC 6700 can produce 1,200 stitches per minute, while the HD9 model reaches up to 1,600 stitches per minute, outpacing Singer's offerings 15. This makes Janome particularly suitable for quilters and those working on large projects where speed and precision are essential. Embroidery features. Both Singer and Janome offer embroidery capabilities in their higher-end models, but with different approaches and features. Singer's embroidery machines, like the SE9185, include features such as Wi-Fi connectivity, 150 built-in embroidery designs, and 10 embroidery fonts. The machine offers a 5 by 7-inch embroidery area and includes capabilities like mirror imaging and endless hoop functionality. Janome's embroidery offerings, exemplified by models like the Memorycraft 11000, tend to focus on precision and advanced technology. The MC 11000 features 170 built-in embroidery designs, 24 stippling designs, and 10 fonts with European characters. Janome's embroidery machines often include sophisticated features like the rolling linear motion guide, which moves the embroidery hoop with industrial-level precision. Janome's embroidery machines are particularly noted for their robotic precision and editing capabilities, making them popular among serious embroiderers and professionals. Special features and technologies. Both brands incorporate unique technologies that set them apart from each other and from competitors. Singer machines often focus on user-friendly features like automatic needle threaders, drop-in bobbins, and LED lighting. The Singer heavy-duty series emphasizes power and speed with a motor that's 60% stronger than standard sewing machines. Janome excels in innovative technologies. Their machines often feature advanced systems like the AccuFeed Flex, a patented precision feed system, which ensures even fabric feeding, particularly beneficial for quilting and working with delicate fabrics. Janome's high-end models like the Continental M Series feature a flatbed design with 13.5 inches of throat space and industrial-grade brushless servo motors, technologies not commonly found in home sewing machines. Janome machines are also designed to minimize user error, with thoughtful features like visible take-up levers that help ensure proper threading. This attention to user experience contributes to their reputation for reliability. Durability and maintenance. The longevity and maintenance requirements of sewing machines are crucial considerations for most buyers. Singer machines, particularly their modern iterations, have received mixed reviews regarding durability. Many sewists and repair technicians report that current Singer machines don't match the longevity of their vintage counterparts. Some repair technicians even refuse to service newer Singer machines due to reliability concerns. Janome machines consistently receive high marks for durability. They're built to last with high-quality components and reliable electronics. Many Janome owners report using their machines for decades without significant issues. The brand's commitment to quality control and consistent manufacturing standards contributes to their machines' longevity. In terms of maintenance, both brands require regular cleaning and oiling. However, Janome machines often need fewer repairs over their lifetime, making them potentially less expensive to maintain in the long run, despite their higher initial cost. Value and investment. The price points and long-term value differ significantly between these brands. Singer machines are generally more affordable, making them accessible to beginners and casual sewists. The Singer Heavy Duty 4432, for example, has an MSRP of $299.99, compared to the Janome HD 3000's $509 MSRP. This price difference makes Singer an attractive option for those on a budget or those uncertain about their long-term commitment to sewing. Janome machines typically come with a higher price tag, but are widely considered to offer better value over time due to their durability and reliability. Many sewists view Janome machines as investments that will serve them well for many years, potentially outlasting multiple less expensive machines. The cost-effectiveness of Janome machines is also noted, with some models offering exceptional features for their price point compared to competitors. This makes them particularly appealing to serious hobbyists and professionals who will use their machines frequently. Target users and applications. The two brands tend to appeal to different types of sewists based on their needs and experience levels. Singer machines are often recommended for beginners and occasional sewists due to their affordability and ease of use. They're suitable for basic sewing tasks, simple garment construction, and light crafting projects. The Heavy Duty series is popular among those who need to sew through thicker fabrics occasionally, but don't require professional-level performance. Janome machines appeal to more serious sewists, including experienced hobbyists and professionals. They excel in precision sewing, quilting, and working with a variety of fabrics. Janome's higher-end models are particularly favored by quilters due to their larger throat space and precise stitch quality. The brand's reputation for reliability also makes it popular among those who sew frequently and depend on their machines for business purposes. So, which is better? When choosing between Singer and Janome, consider your sewing needs, budget, and long-term plans. Choose Singer if you're a beginner or occasional sewist. Budget is a primary concern. You need a basic machine for simple projects. High sewing speed is important to you. You want a wide variety of built-in stitches. Choose Janome if you're an experienced sewist or professional. You view your sewing machine as a long-term investment. Precision and stitch quality are priorities. You work with a variety of fabrics, including difficult ones. Reliability and durability are essential to you. You're interested in quilting or more advanced sewing techniques. Both brands have their strengths, but the consensus among professionals and experienced sewists is that Janome offers superior quality and longevity, while Singer provides accessibility and affordability. Your choice should ultimately reflect your specific sewing goals, budget constraints, and the level of performance you require from your machine.